Well, hey there guys, today I've got something a little bit different. I think it's something that I'm going to use a lot. A while back, my friend Gary the Bearded Woodworker made these wooden mallets on his channel, and he had his logo laser engraved onto the head of the mallet, and I thought that that is a really cool way to personalize your product. And getting into making tables and furniture and stuff, I want to be able to not only sign it, but to personalize it for the client. So I started looking into laser engravers, and coincidentally the folks from Longer contacted me and asked if I'd be interested in making a video of their new 10-watt laser engraver. Well, that was a no-brainer. So they have sent me their Ray5 10-watt laser engraver, and I am excited to open this thing up and put it together and personalize my own gear. So let's check this thing out. I think I've opened it upside down. Instructions. Power pack. Extruded aluminum, powder coated. It's got a measurement guide on it. Everything is bagged and labeled. That's nice. Now this has an LCD touchscreen that you can operate without a computer. And that is the laser unit itself. All right, well here it is, all assembled. I would probably give it about a 2.5 to 3 out of 5 for difficulty. The drive belt installation was a little fiddly, but definitely achievable. The thing is nice and solid. Now this comes with this little dowel of aluminum that is used to focus the laser beam on your project. So you simply loosen up these two fingered screws and set the laser down on the cylinder, tighten them back up, and that'll focus your beam on whatever your project is. Now, it also came with this USB/micro SD card reader. It came pre-programmed with 3 of their logos, which I have inserted into the top of the machine. So I think we're just going to go ahead and try this thing out. I've got a piece of wood here that I've focused my beam on. I'll turn it on. We'll go to engraving, and we'll hit this pre-programmed file, and then we'll hit frame to make sure that I need to adjust that a little bit. Okay, check. It's actually engraved in. It's not just a burn, it's an etch. Alright, well that's kind of cool, but I'm going to plug it into my computer and see if I can do my logo. Alright, I've got LightBurn here on my computer. This is a $60 program for Mac. There is a free program if you run PC, but I've got a Mac, so right now I'm on a 30-day free trial. I got a piece of English walnut set up under the laser and my logo on the screen here. All I have to do now is hit start. All right, well that was an attempt. You can obviously see the words here, but the rest of it is super faint. I don't even think it comes out in the camera, but no big deal because that was only 20% laser power. I'm gonna kick it up to 100 and run it again and see what we get. Oh yeah, that's much darker. Well, how about that? I think that came out awesome. It's not quite as dark. There's a little more contrast than I think the camera's picking up. But that, I love it. I have an idea. Not quite. Boy, so close. The rings in the wood kept it together, but let's try one more. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. That is pretty impressive. I think I was asking quite a bit. Look at that. Just a little bit that didn't quite make it through, but that's that is over 5/8 thick. That is pretty impressive. No. Yeah, it's right at 5/8. Wow, that is cool. My son is going to freak out when he sees his Wings of Fire dragon burnt onto a stone. My daughter painted this rock, and so I put her name on it, and I should probably put this thing away before I engrave the dog. Ooh, I could make a dog tag. How cool is that? It'd be cool if it focused. Look at that. I think if I turn the laser up just a little bit, but that is awesome. Well guys, I literally had to walk away from this thing last night because I was going to engrave everything I own. This thing is so much fun. I think this is an awesome entry-level laser. It's got a bunch of safety features. If you bump, move, if it detects a flame, anything like that, the laser shuts off automatically. It has a huge 15 3/4 inch square working surface, and there's just so much I'm finding that I can do with this thing. I think you're gonna see a lot more of it in my upcoming projects. The portability, being able to just set it down on something to engrave it's awesome. I don't know why it took me so long to get one of these. I've got a link down below that will take you to their website and you can check out all the features. There's a discount code to save $30. They have tons of tutorial videos on how to set it up and use it. There are tons of tutorial videos on the software. I literally spent probably 2 hours watching YouTube videos, and I feel like I've got the hang of this thing, and I'm really looking forward to what I'm going to be able to do with this. I've got some ideas that I haven't seen anyone else do that I want to try out. So stick around, guys. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you soon.